Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So we all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. So let me display pure handloom exclusive collections. And this one, very beautiful, elegant and smart, trendy, traditional looks. Very beautiful one. This one, full base part, muslin base, multicolor, fine hand weaving buta design. This one, full base part, very exclusive one. This portions, contrast color border with Banarasi weaving, golden zari Banarasi weaving, hand weaving border design, muslin base, transparent multicolor hand weaving jamdani buta design. And this one is pallu portion, same multicolor buta. This portion is pallu portions. Beautiful Banarasi weaving work, highlighted lines with multicolor weaving buta design, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one, full base part, white base, very elegant one, pure muslin silk with multicolor weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And this portion, border portions, contrast color hand weaving Banarasi work, highlighted border. And this one is full base, very exclusive one. And I prefer this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And this one also, very nice one, outstanding collections, pure handloom matka with hand weaving Dhakai work border, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful elegant looks, pure matka base. And this portions, border portions fully Dhakai weaving, Dhakai jamdani weaving border highlighted and all over jamdani buta. And this one, pure muslin pallu with beautiful traditional Dhakai jamdani weaving work, very nice looks, matka jamdani matka Dhakai jamdani work. This one is border portions, and this one is all over base part, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. A very beautiful one, bright orange shade, organic linen Banarasi, very elegant and fresh bright looks. This one, full base part, pure handloom organic linen with Banarasi weaving work and fully hand weaving design. This one, border portions fully hand weaving Banarasi work border and all over buta design, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design, highlighted Banarasi work. This one is, beautiful pallu, and this one is all over base, very bright and gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful one. Silk cotton material with golden zari border and all over beautiful weaving buta design and Banarasi work, heavy worked pallu. This one, full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color, heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work pallu. And this one, all over base part, very beautiful and gorgeous looks. This one is all over base buta work, and this one is running blouse piece, silk cotton material, soft, comfortable, lightweight. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, lightweight, same material, silk cotton Banarasi, golden zari border, all over fine weaving buta, Banarasi buta, and bright magenta pink shade and lightweight, also comfortable, bright party looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color with heavy Banarasi weaving work pallu. And this one is border portions, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and fresh looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom handspun matka with exclusive weaving work, golden zari border, very nice one, handspun matka, soft, comfortable, bright black shade with premium quality golden zari weaving heavy work border and pallu. Fully smart weaving design, this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving design work pallu and soft one pure matka silk. And this one, full base part, very bright and gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one is golden zari border with and full border portions, beautiful fine hand weaving work. This one is running blouse piece and this one is all over piece. And I will suggest this silk material golden brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combination, silk linen material, contrast color border and beautiful fine colorful embroidery design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful fine embroidery buta work all over base. And this one, pallu in beautiful pom-pom design with contrast color highlighted stripes. And this one, border portions, beautiful fine embroidery design work border and all over base part is buta work, very trendy and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one, all over beautiful embroidery design. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and bright looks. And this one also in a very beautiful color combination, same material, silk linen material, fine embroidery work, golden zari border and nice color combinations, greenish shade. And this one, full base part, beautiful fine embroidery design work, silk linen, golden zari border and all over base part is fine embroidery design work. And this one is pallu and highlighted golden zari stripes. And this one, all over base part is beautiful fine embroidery work, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is fine embroidery one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. In a very beautiful bright color combinations, matka with muslin combined work, very nice bright looks. This one is matka base muslin sequin striped design. This one is full base part, very bright gorgeous looks. This one is muslin with beautiful sequin design all over base. And this one is pallu portions, muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta work with sequin stripes design, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks. This one is full base part is same stripes design and muslin pallu. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving heavy worked contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, handloom soft silk work, soft silk with beautiful fine weaving work, very bright gorgeous looks. Blue shade and very lightweight comfortable contrast color, fully fine weaving design work border. This portion is beautiful contrast color dye with fine weaving design work. This portion is contrast color dye pallu with beautiful weaving design work, very nice looks. And this one is brocade work running blouse piece and this one is all over base part, very trendy and fresh looks, blue shade with beautiful buta work, very nice one, bright color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very nice one, elegant trendy looks, organic linen with golden zari weaving Banarasi work, very trendy and elegant looks. Nice color combinations. This one is full base part, organic linen with fine golden zari Banarasi weaving highlighted border and all over buta design, also very nice one. And this one, pallu portions, fully golden zari heavy weaving design work pallu, Banarasi work pallu and very soft one, fully hand weaving design. And this one is all over base, beautiful buta and highlighted border, very trendy looks. And this one, running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material golden shade buta Banarasi buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful bright one, silk linen Banarasi work, heavy work. This one is full base part, very nice and elegant color combinations, red contrast Banarasi work border, and this one full base part, very beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen Banarasi. This one is beautiful fine Banarasi weaving border and pallu, and this one is all over base part and pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. This portion is border portions, contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and this one full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Sorry, this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and type piece. This Chanderi silk kota weaving contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. Very bright beautiful color combination, silk linen Banarasi, very nice color, purple shade contrast red border, very trendy and bright looks. This one full base part, based for your festive wear, party wear, very nice looks. This one contrast color highlighted pallu with heavy Banarasi weaving work, and all over base part is beautiful weaving buta design Banarasi buta, and this one full base part bright purple shade all over Banarasi weaving work. This one is contrast color border with heavy Banarasi weaving work, very nice gorgeous looks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright gorgeous looks. And this one also bright and elegant one, white base with heavy Banarasi weaving work border and pallu, and all over base part is fine multicolored weaving stripes design. This one all over base part is beautiful stripes multicolored handloom soft silk material with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked border. This one beautiful fine hand weaving Banarasi work border, and this one is all over base part, very trendy and fresh looks, lightweight also, all over same stripes with Banarasi work border, and this one pallu portions, beautiful weaving Banarasi weaving highlighted pallu and nice pom-pom design, and this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding and elegant look. And this one also same material, same pattern, pink base, a peach pink shade with beautiful contrast color dye with heavy Banarasi weaving work border, and this one full base part multicolored weaving stripes with highlighted heavy Banarasi weaving border and pallu contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving heavy work pallu, very nice and bright gorgeous looks and soft comfortable lightweight. Obviously this one full Banarasi work highlighted border contrast color dye, and all over beautiful fine multicolor stripes with border work, very nice one, bright fresh looks, very lightweight. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is contrast blouse piece, very trendy and bright one, silk material bouquet work, very nice one, beautiful one, very nice looks, semi georgette base with silver zari weaving heavy work Banarasi work border and buta design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one full base part, very nice color combinations, and this one border portions beautiful fine Banarasi weaving design work border, fully silver zari weaving work, and this one full base part beautiful weaving buta design, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted silver zari weaving Banarasi work pallu, and this one is bouquet work running blouse piece, very beautiful one, based for your party wear, festive wear, very nice and elegant looks. And this one full base part beautiful weaving buta, and this one is Banarasi work border design, very nice one, nice color combinations all over buta work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and bright looks. And this one, very beautiful one, muslin base with highlighted silver zari border and all over butta design, very nice and elegant looks. This one, full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, highlighted 1-inch silver zari border and all over base part is beautiful silver zari weaving butta work, muslin silk base. And this one, pallu portions, fully silver zari weaving design work, highlighted pallu. And this one, full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base part, very lightweight, comfortable, transparent, pure muslin silk. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, very elegant color combination, same material, same pattern, very nice color combinations, gray shade, and silver zari 1-inch border, pure muslin silk with beautiful weaving butta design, same material, same pattern, different nice elegant color combinations only, beautiful silver zari butta. And this portions, pallu portion, different butta pattern pallu. And this one is all over, this one is base part, upper base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is split section. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted beautiful silver zari weaving design work, highlighted pallu. And this one is all over base, very trendy and fresh, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. So, very beautiful one, very smart looks, organza base, premium quality, fully fine Banarosi weaving border work and all over heavy design, very bright and gorgeous looks, elegant obviously. This one is fine hand weaving Banarosi work border, organza base, beautiful Banarosi border, and all over base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable organza silk, but soft one, very trendy and bright, elegant looks. This one is all over base part is heavy work, and this one, pallu portions, fully heavy Banarosi weaving work, highlighted pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, and this one is running blouse piece, fully brocade work, running blouse piece. And this one is all over base part, very beautiful, bright and gorgeous looks. And I appreciate this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And today I have taken a beautiful bright color saree, organza silk base with multi-color contrast color dye all over base. And this one is Banarosi weaving heavy worked border, fully Banarosi work, organza Banarosi with multi-color dye base. And this one, pallu portions, contrast golden zari weaving heavy Banarosi worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, heavy worked, and all over base part is butta design, very bright and gorgeous look, beautiful saree and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.